Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding the clean 2-ingredient approach. Use 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 cup boiling water to form the dough, no eggs required. You will need frying oil, but the dough uses 2 ingredients, so count only flour and water for the recipe. Work quickly to form a smooth chew-like paste without lumps. Fast incorporation keeps the structure. Measure accurately and have your piping bag and star tip ready, because the dough sets as it cools and pipes best warm. Combine 1 cup flour with 1 cup boiling water and mix until smooth, stirring vigorously until a cohesive paste forms. Cool slightly, then transfer dough to a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Don't wait until fully cold or it won't pipe cleanly. Keep dough warm and avoid adding more water, because thinning it changes texture and prevents proper puffing when fried. If the dough is too stiff, knead briefly by hand to regain pliability. Practice a few test pipes to set size and length. Heat oil to 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C, and fry churros 2 to 3 minutes per side until deep golden and crisp. Avoid overcrowding the pan. Drain on paper towels and toss in 1/4 cup sugar if desired, or serve plain. The coating is optional and not counted as a dough ingredient. Serve hot. Dough uses only flour and water, which gives a tender, hollow interior similar to chew. For variations, dip in melted chocolate or cinnamon, but remember the core recipe stays 2-ingredient for the dough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.